A lot of content in this course will ask you to save your work either to your notes, which for now you are writing your own notes or typing your own notes and keeping them to yourself, either in your journal, which you are also maybe creating in a Google Doc or the template that I sent to you, or your portfolio. To go to your portfolio, you go to Student Portfolio on the top of your screen. You should click on that, and then that should give you the courses that you are registered in. For me, it doesn't show OLC because I'm the teacher. But if I wanted to go to one of the other places, I'll see if I can show you an example. So if I were to go into the portfolio for the literacy course, it should look something like this. And then you can go to Add to Portfolio. This is where you have the document that you created that you put in here, and then you save it. It will allow you to save it once you have a document in there. And then that will be saved in your portfolio, and I should be able to see it. If you're uploading a Google Doc, make sure I can have access to it as well. If you have any questions, make sure you're asking me. Thank you.